How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your PS5 share screen not working. So the first thing that you actually want to do is to navigate through the settings right here. And then inside you have the captures and broadcast option. Just make sure that you have selected the right video quality that you want to record at. And from there, you should be good to go. And while you're at it, the reason why this is happening is because there might be some parental controls. So we just have to turn that off. Head over to setting, click on the family and parental controls. And inside you have the temporarily disable PS5 console restriction. So in here, it allows all users on the PS5 to use games, application, and devices without any parental controls restriction, and that includes screen sharing. Right after, head over to the users and account. It's going to be inside the same option. So users and account option, click on your account, and in here, you want to navigate through others. While you're at it, you will just want to select all of the game that you have, and then you just want to restore some license. And from there, you should be good to go. You could start a new party, open or close, start screen sharing, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.